FNP is a 25-year-old company. We have a very strong retail and online presence in India. In addition to India, we are present in UAE, Singapore, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and we deliver same-day gifting in more than 100 countries as we speak today. Our majority of the categories are flowers, cakes, plants, personalized gifting. All of that is delivered same day, mostly through hyperlocal deliveries or through ground shipping. FNP was trying to build a system where it can collate the customer information from different systems that were working in isolation. FNP's data is in different internal systems across call center, across back office, and clickstream data was separate. So the idea was to create a single view of the customer and collate all the information across different channels like mobile, desktop, web, call center, and all the transactional data. And once we have this data, the idea was to create and deliver a very hyper personalized experience in terms of interaction with the customer, in terms of doing cross sell and upsell of the categories, improving the customer experience altogether. That was the idea. BluePie's experience in retail was very vast. They brought in a lot of innovative ideas in terms of tracking the customer interaction. They helped us envisage the product in a manner which is very comprehensive in nature and future proof. BluePie's delivery and the pace was also very phenomenally well, and they had the domain expertise. They understood the requirement very quickly and helped us deliver the project well in time. BluePie's technical experience was also phenomenal. They not only mentored our internal team in terms of handing over building the product together, but also were focused on the performance issues. Their approach was very consultative, and their vision, their thought process had been that we build a system and see the ROI, and it was very business oriented. So we created modules, saw the result, and then moved faster. We improved upon the performance, ironed out all the issues which were there in terms of the integration, in terms of tracking, in terms of leveraging this data onto different marketing channels, be it email, be it push, be it SMS, or be it site personalization. So we were building small, test, try, and move forward. We started the project before COVID, and due to COVID, the work was not interrupted. BluePie's interaction with the team, the collaboration with Funds and Petals team was uninterrupted. We continued to work and build the system, and in fact, we went live during the COVID lockdown. So kudos to the team. We started this project about 9 months ago, and in this phase, we have been able to achieve the single view of the customer, where we are acquiring data from all different sources, and we have been able to see and analyze and pull out the information about customer in different aspects. And then we've been able to leverage this data and went live with more than 5 marketing campaigns, where these campaigns are personalized. These campaigns are there's a send time optimization also implemented on these campaigns. So this was achieved. So transactional data was captured against each and every customer. On top of that, product attribute data ingestion was done, and using this information, a very scalable and futuristic data model has been created. In addition to the initial scope that was done and delivered, we have gone live with some of the marketing campaigns, and so there is optimization of these campaigns in terms of send time optimization, in terms of cross prioritization, in terms of cross pollination, and there's prioritization, then there's overriding rules. So these are rule-based campaigns which are powered by CDP. There are some new campaigns that we are going live with in terms of web push and mobile push. All of this is also leveraging the data that CDP has captured. For future, we are talking about building different widgets which can be used on the different storefronts, be it site, be it mobile app, and we are also talking about enhancing the overall search as a product. So this elastic-based search will be using this data, and will be delivering better experience in terms of search as a facility. There will be recommendation engine also that will be powered by this platform yet again, and These will be rule based. Our business is very, very occasion based. It's not just based on the search trends which are happening, it's also what we want to push. We have Raksha Bandhan, we have Diwali. What is the product line that you want to recommend to the customer on the generic categories? So that's also one of the use case for this platform. One of the use cases is also to enrich call center agents' screen when he's interacting with the customer. Now this experience will be more personalized. There will be rich information that will be provided to the agent. He can leverage this information in terms of what kind of discount coupons you have used, what kind of category you have browsed on the website. So therefore the experience, the interaction is more personalized. The idea is to optimize the spend on marketing channels like Facebook and Google. Now because we understand the customer better, it's your behavior, your interaction with the website, your last touch channel, etc. So we can optimize the spend better. So CDP will fuel these marketing channels also. Then leveraging this CDP information, customer information, and deliver a real-time personalized experience on the website and apps.